Thanks so much for making time to watch me on this channel. Today we are looking at how cold showers help to lose weight, manage diabetes and pre-diabetes. Not only these things, we also get to know more about the serious benefits or the advantages of cold showers or cryotherapy or cold therapy. But let me make this disclaimer. Videos on this channel are not meant to discourage you from undergoing any medical procedure. And we don't make videos to tell you that a doctor is not good enough for you. No, it's for knowledge purposes, because it's realized that when you go to the hospital, the doctors do not really have much time to explain to you, just like what we do on this channel. And so I respect doctors, and then I have my personal doctor as well. And so you would have to gain the knowledge to decide on your medical situation, even on this channel. When we were growing up, our parents used to tell us, don't go into the cold, don't go into the cold, you fall sick, you fall sick. But is that really true? Now, before you click off and say there is no way in heck I'm ever going to take a cold shower, please allow me to land. Let me explain something to you. All right. So the question is, what will happen 2 weeks of cold shower? But don't just take this part of the video and judge it. Let me land first. So I'm going to talk to you about some serious benefits that you are going to get, and also some researches that they are revolving around cryotherapy, that is cold therapy. Bathing cold water or having cryotherapy, or let's say cold therapy, should be gradual so that it doesn't become uncomfortable, and that will actually make you to experience the full benefits of it. It happens that when you expose your body to a short-term cold, your immune system is really enhanced, and that is, you get more monocytes and lymphocytes, and these are white blood cells that fight off pathogens. You then have a boost of the T helper cells, which is like the quarterback of the entire immune system. You also get a spike of T suppressor cells that helps to calm down the overreactive immune system. So it's actually a good thing that you should be taking cold showers or cryotherapy. By practicing cryotherapy, you also spike noradrenaline in your body, which is also similar to adrenaline. And interestingly, when they tested people dealing with depression, anxiety, attention deficit disorder, it was found that they had low levels of noradrenaline. So by doing cryotherapy or cold therapy, like it's over here, you are going to actually going to have enough noradrenaline in your system, and that is going to put you in a mood of excitement. And so this is something that you wouldn't want to miss. Now, the third point is the most amazing of it all, and I'm glad you like to know about it. Taking cold showers or practicing cryotherapy is actually going to help you to lose weight. Why? So, okay, losing weight, how is it going to happen? When you take a cold shower, you trigger brown fat. Brown fat is also known as the brown adipose tissue. What is it going to do, even as we want to know about this brown adipose tissue in the body? The sensation of cold is a main stimulus to stimulating brown fat. That is also known as the brown adipose tissue. So the more cold, the more brown fat you have. Now, let's take a significant look at brown adipose tissue or brown fats and the white adipose tissue or white fats. Brown fat is actually going to increase heat energy in the body and metabolism. And we know that when there's an increased or there's a raise in heat energy and metabolism of the body, what is going to happen? That will automatically make you to lose weight drastically. So white fat is actually the stored fat in your body that is making you look big, making you look, obese. And the brown fat is actually going to make sure that it's going to reduce the white fat in your body by its metabolism and also the heat that is going to give to the body. So you would want to venture into cryotherapy or cold therapy. It's really going to help you. even as you endeavor to lose some fat or cut down some fat in your body. Isn't it so amazing and beautiful how brown fat is able to help you to lose weight? Of course. And it's researched and found that 100 grams of brown fats can actually burn 3,400 calories per day. And that is more calories that you could potentially eat in a day. And so cryotherapy is a very important thing that aids in burning fats, even as brown fats is going to help in the production of heat and increase metabolism in the body. And here is another reason why it's able to help you to lose weight. Brown fats actually increase insulin sensitivity. And the more you increase insulin sensitivity, the less insulin is going to be produced. And that's actually going to help in a less resistance of insulin. So if you actually know somebody that is dealing with diabetes or has actually come into the stage of pre-diabetes, recommend cold showers to them. That is cryotherapy. It's really going to help them to put their sugar in check. And that is in a way amazingly going to help them to also lose weight. Cold showers also helps with inflammation. And so if you have any kind of autoimmune disease, if you have any kind of arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis, cold showers is something that you should be doing because it has a very great therapeutic effect that will help you to overcome inflammation. Cold showers increase your overall antioxidant networks, and that would actually give you a less DNA damage. And when it happens like that, it also means that you're going to have a less risk of getting cancer. Your risk of getting cancer is going to be lessened. And that is something that you can't afford to take away. Another thing about cryotherapy is that it serves as a neural protection. It protects the brain, and it also activates the regrowing of neurons. Cold showers enhances longevity. And it does this by actually promoting or enhancing autophagy. And autophagy has got to do, even as I give the definition down there, the stimulation of autophagy is actually a condition that the body gets to where it's recycling old damaged proteins. So cryotherapy is a good thing, even as longevity is something that all of us we want to have. So cold showers is something that you should be trying. Cold showers lower cortisol. It has a way of lowering the cortisol hormone in your body, that is the stress hormone. Cold showers can actually create a better recovery in your system, especially when you are an athlete. And after you have had a sprain, after you have had some kind of lessened oxygen in your tissue, cold showers or cryotherapy has a way of actually helping to fix and putting things in place, even as recovery is concerned. And that is something that we can't afford to miss also, even as we do exercises and we try to get into other activities to strengthen the immune system. So there's something that I also like you to know, even as you're watching this video. Before you go to bed, warm bath is relatively better and advisable. Okay, thank you so much for making time to watch me. If you enjoy this content, kindly subscribe to this channel. You can share this video. You can give us a like. You can put your comment below. Thank you, and see you another time.